Welcome back in the kitchen again with another one with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show, guys. It's amazing to be in the kitchen giving you favorite recipes and ideas. Now the beautiful thing is I have some leftover broccoli. Yes, leftover broccoli. Most people would chuck it straight into the bin. I don't do that. What I normally do, I normally save it, and it's going to date before you get to spoil. What I do, I make a juice from it. Alright? And all of that fiber go inside of this in your stomach. Feel good, feel really nice and an amazing. Mwah! It's amazing. Anyway, today I'm going to give you a beautiful smoothie recipe from all of my leftover broccoli, which I have with some green apples and ginger and lemon and bits and pieces. Tune in and join the recipe. Leave your comments in the description box. Please follow me on Instagram, my Facebook page, and my name is Chef Ricardo Cooking, guys. Alright? Now, if you want some more information, as I always said to myself, I said to you guys, please go to my website, chefricardo.co.uk. You can drop me a message and we are here to help you. Alright? Now, secondly, the book, you can also download the book to your phone, to your computer, to wherever you are. It's only £4-something for it. And you got about 20-something recipes inside of it. We have a new book releasing very soon. So tune in. We got a lot more tips and more ideas for you. You guys gonna love it. And you know what? The most important thing, if nobody didn't tell you, Chef Ricardo loves you. So stay tuned with me and let's make this together. Healthy way, healthy lifestyle, that's the way to go. Join Chef Ricardo with the journey and we can do this together. I love you all. Bless upon yourself. Remember, subscribe is very important, as you will miss most of my videos if you do not subscribe to the YouTube channel and clicking the notification bell. Big up on yourself. Every time. Big up on yourself. Now, first of all, I did prep some of my ingredients earlier. Now I have some celery. But look at this. These are some of my leftover broccoli, branch and everything, and I didn't throw it away. I couldn't able more than throw it away because, but I said to myself, I did this before and I know it's a very nice, lovely smoothie drink to drink at home. Alright, so right there, that's some of the spinach, some of the broccoli, which I have. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna put some celery inside of it. All right. So that's the celery. I love celery. I'm gonna put a piece of ginger inside of it. That's the ginger. Also, I got a piece of a green cucumber. Inside of it, I'm gonna use this for about half of the cucumber. I got some lime. I'm gonna use roughly about half of a lime inside of it, as you guys can see. Now I'm gonna use some green apple, but this time I didn't remove the skin from the apple. You might wonder why, because everything is green. Alright. And that looking good, guys. Yeah, that looking amazing, fantastic, and I do love it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put some water inside of it. I may add a little bit of apple cider vinegar inside of it. That's a pinch of apple cider vinegar. I'm not using too much, and also just a tiny bit of the organic honey, because remember the apple is also sweet. Then what we're gonna do, we're gonna take it to the blend. Wow, that looks amazing. Alright, and that's exactly what Chef Ricardo been talking about right there. Now, if you like the recipe, the only thing I would say to you, you know, one thing you can do is to leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. So we're gonna run the blender and see how this come out lovely and nice. Okay guys, now that was blended for a few minutes well. Now the beautiful thing about this drink, you do not want to strain it. This is what you want to do. You want to drink it just like this. Alright, and that's why I run the blender a little bit extra longer, because the longer you run the blender it's getting it very smoothie, and trust me, that is amazing. Alright, the flavor and the texture is so lovely guys. So basically that's where Chef Ricardo be talking about it right over here. Now if you like the recipe, the only thing I would say to you is leave a friend tell a friend. Alright, we got a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo to you. And don't get me wrong guys, these recipes are very healthy and also delicious, and you also can drink them any time of the day, in the morning, in the evening, for lunch, for smoothie, for breakfast, whatever times makes you happy, you can make it at home. Now, as I close the show, remember to follow me on my Facebook page, on my Instagram page, Chef Ricardo Cooking all the way. Alright? Just leave your comments in the description box. Very, very healthy and delicious smoothie recipe from Chef Ricardo. Stay tuned in.